Are you really trying to lose weight? There are many things that help weight loss beside a fat diet. And exercising once in a while. It needs proper planning and lots of determination. You have heard of some hard weight loss plans that actually make losing weight difficult and complicated. You can reach your weight loss goal by using these simple but powerful weight loss ideas, as long as you really follow all the steps. You do not have to always feel hungry in order to lose weight. You just need to plan carefully and stick to your plans. Here are a few easy steps to help you lose weight. Number 1. Start your day with lemon water. Lemon water is an excellent drink for weight loss. Lemon juice helps your body get the nutrients it needs to burn fat into energy and stop weight gain. Make sure to keep drinking lemon juice even after you lose weight. Keep your new weight. Number 2. Take apple cider vinegar. Because apple cider vinegar has acetic acid, it's good for losing weight. Acetic acid stops body fat from building up. Apple cider vinegar also helps your body to take in nutrients from the food you eat, treat digestive issues, and fight infections. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it once a day in the evening. Number 3. Replace your regular tea with green tea. Another good idea for weight loss is to drink green tea. It has a big range of antioxidants that helps the body break down foods and help in losing weight. The catechins in green tea are very good for burning fat because they free fat from fat cells. You can drink 3 to 4 cups of green tea a day. Number 4. Exercise. If you really want to lose weight in a healthy way, there is no way to escape from regular exercise and activity. Doing a mix of mild and hard physical activity will help you lose weight and control your weight. Also, exercise helps lessen stress and raise your energy, mood, and sleep quality. It lowers the risk of chronic disease like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and some cancers. It's best to set a certain time slot in your day for your exercise routine. Number 5. Drink plenty of water. Drink a lot of water throughout the day to help your body wash out toxins. It is suggested to drink 8 to 10 glasses of fluid a day. Besides helping to clean out toxins, it makes the body burn fat faster. Also, eat more fruit and vegetables that are full of water. If If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to our channel Medicine Bank. Thank you.